Fables of La Fontaine. The Wolf and the Dog. A wolf who was but skin and bone, so watchful had the sheepdogs grown, once met a mastiff, fat and sleek, stern only to the poor and weak. Sir Wolf would fain no doubt have munched this pampered cur, and on him lunched. But then a meal involved a fight, and he was craven, save at night. For such a dog could guard his throat as well as any dog of note. So the wolf, humbly flattering him, praised the soft plumpness of each limb. You're wrong, my noble sir, to roam in woods, indeed you err. The dog replies, You do indeed, but if you wish, with me you'll feed. Your comrades are a shabby pack, gaunt, bony, lean inside and back, pining for hunger, scurvy, hollow, fighting for every scrap they swallow. Come, share my lot, and take your ease. What must I do to earn it, please? Do? Why, do nothing. Beggar men, bark at and chase, fawn now and then at friends, your master always flatter. Do this, and by this little matter earn every sort of dainty dish, fowl bones, or pigeons, what you wish. Aye, better things with all these messes, fondlings, and ceaseless kind caresses. The wolf, delighted as he hears, is deeply moved almost to tears, when all at once he sees a speck, a gall, upon the mastiff's neck. What's that? Oh, nothing. No, a slight rub from the chain, you know. The chain? Replies the wolf aghast. You are not free? They tie you fast? Sometimes, but la, what matters it? Matters so much the rarest bit, seems worthless, bought at such a price. The wolf, so saying in a trice, ran off, and with the best goodwill, and he's likely running still. Well, that's it. You can have your leisure, but is it worth it? Freedom. Maybe that's all that's really valuable. Anyway, think about it. Any concerns, any thoughts, any criticisms, any things to add? Let me know down below.